In this video we'll be adding keyboard controls to our player, as this is where we left off in the last video. Our player could move forward and the camera was able to follow it. Now to add controls, open up our movement script from the last video. And here write this line of code that's basically going to detect if the player is pressing the required key, which is A in our case. And when the player presses A, we want our ball to move left or right. So I'll write 100 for x-axis and 0 for y and z-axis. Let's save the script and head into Unity. Here you can see the ball moves right each time I press A, but the force is too small, so I'll increase the force to 700. You can see it's working, but it only works once when A is pressed, so if you hold down A button, it'll still work only once. So to change the input type, we'll simply remove the word down from the input line. In simple words, get key works when a key is held down, get key down works when a key is pressed, and get key up works when a key is released. So now let's save the script and see how it works. Now it's working fine, but the value of force is too much. But instead of changing the value from script and checking it again and again, we'll make a bucket for our force value. Float is the type of bucket that stores numbers. I'll name it side force for now. And here, I'll replace the value with our bucket after saving the script. Select the player and you can see we have a bucket attached to our player. Put whatever value you find playable in your case. For me 50 works fine. Now to move our player in left direction too, we'll copy the same code and replace A with D, and add a minus sign before the sideways force. Now you can see it's working, but it's inverted. A is moving the ball right and D is moving it left. To fix this, make the positive force negative and the negative one positive. Now if I save the script and play, it's working perfectly fine. I'll make the plane a bit bigger and add some obstacles so our game actually looks like a game. Here I'll also add some color to our player and the obstacles. Let's check it out now. As you can see, our game is playable now. This was all about the basics of Unity. If you want to learn more about Unity, you can check out my other videos or maybe subscribe for more.